Okay, so this is how I do big, like, paint peels and stuff. I've got some more over here. But basically, you paint the wall, and then I use the maroon construction paper that you buy in a roll from like Home Depot, and I put that into the wet paint, and whatever you want your under peel color to be, you paint the wall, and then it is pretty simple to let that dry and then paint the wall the color you want it to be on top. And then you can, hold on a second, just scratch that paper. The fresher it is, the easier it is. But you could get big peels. Because it's not really glued down. It's just paint that's holding it. So you can do, you know, peels. But anyway, big peeling paint, that's how I do it. I just do the sheets of paper over top. And while it's kind of still wet, you can just catch a little bit of it. And give yourself a peel there. And we have done it. It also, it helps, like, look at this corner, how that corner is coming apart. And all these walls are kind of done the same way. We just hadn't done a lot of peeling on them. But we can. Because it just peels like paper. Because it's paper. See, now I got a big spot of peeling paint. And this whole hallway is done kind of the same way. You can see where the paper rolls end, but I don't even mind that. And you can do that as extreme as you want to. That is how I do peeling paint on walls. Paint it, slap the paper on smooth, the paint acts kind of like a glue, and then you will paint your color on top that you want the wall to be. I'm using a key. If you had the right tool, this would go a little faster. I like leaving the big flap there. Just nice. Okay, so there you go. It's peeling paint, guys. Go make stuff.